Welcome to today's video about cardamom tea benefits. Have you ever heard of the amazing benefits of cardamom tea? If not, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll be exploring the many benefits of this aromatic and delicious tea and how it can transform your health. But before we dive into the benefits, let's take a moment to appreciate the rich history and tradition behind this magical beverage. For centuries, cardamom tea has been prized for its medicinal properties and was often used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. And today, it continues to be a popular beverage all over the world, loved for its unique flavor and health benefits. But what makes cardamom tea so special? Well, recent research has uncovered some amazing benefits that you won't want to miss. From improving digestion and lowering blood pressure to boosting the immune system and even aiding in weight loss, the benefits of cardamom tea are truly remarkable. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover how this simple cup of tea can transform your health and well-being. Join us as we explore the many benefits of cardamom tea and learn how you can incorporate it into your daily routine for a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative and engaging content like this. Now let's get started. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Let's start number 1. Improved digestion. Are you a tea lover who's interested in improving digestion? If so, you'll want to hear about the benefits of cardamom tea. Studies have shown that cardamom, a spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, has the ability to improve digestion. One study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2010 found that the essential oils in cardamom had a positive effect on the gastrointestinal tract, helping to reduce inflammation and improve digestion. So how does it work? The compounds in cardamom, such as terpenes and flavonoids, have been shown to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and increase the movement of food through the digestive tract. This can help reduce bloating, constipation, and other digestive issues. To make cardamom tea, simply add a few pods of cardamom to hot water and let steep for a few minutes. You can also add other spices like ginger or cinnamon for even more digestive benefits. So why not give cardamom tea a try? It's a delicious way to improve your digestion and overall health. 2. Lower blood pressure. This flavorful beverage not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also helps to lower your blood pressure. Let's dive into the science behind it. Cardamom contains several bioactive compounds such as terpenes, flavonoids, and phenolic acids. These compounds have been studied for their numerous health benefits, including their ability to lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that the consumption of cardamom tea can significantly reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels in hypertensive individuals. But what makes cardamom so effective in reducing blood pressure? It's due to the presence of compounds like eucalyptol, limonene, and alpha-terpinyl acetate, which have been found to possess hypotensive effects. These compounds help to relax the blood vessels, reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. So the next time you're looking for a healthy and flavorful beverage, reach for a cup of cardamom tea. Your taste buds and your blood pressure will thank you. Next, number 3. Anti-cancer properties. Are you looking for a tasty and healthy way to protect your cells from damage and potentially reduce your risk of developing cancer? Look no further than cardamom tea. Research studies have found that the active compounds in cardamom, including limonene, cineol, and eucalyptol, have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may help to fight cancer. And the best part? Adding cardamom to your tea not only provides potential health benefits, but also tastes amazing. In a 2017 study published in the journal Pharmacognosy magazine, researchers found that cardamom extract could inhibit the growth of cancer cells in vitro by inducing programmed cell death. Another study published in Molecular Nutrition and Food Research in 2016 suggested that cardamom extract could help protect against colon cancer. So why not sip on this delicious tea and potentially give your cells a fighting chance against cancer? Next, number 4. Better oral health. Do you know that a cup of cardamom tea can do wonders for your oral health? This aromatic and flavorful tea has been shown to have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, making it a natural and effective way to improve your dental hygiene. Studies have shown that cardamom tea can reduce the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth that can cause tooth decay and bad breath. This is thanks to the presence of cineole, a compound found in cardamom that has antimicrobial properties. Additionally, cardamom tea contains antioxidants that can protect your teeth and gums from damage caused by free radicals. Not only is cardamom tea great for your oral health, but it also tastes amazing. The warm, spicy flavor of cardamom adds a delightful twist to your daily cup of tea. So why not give it a try and start enjoying the many benefits of this natural remedy? Your teeth and gums will thank you for it. Next, number 5. Stress relief. Are you tired of feeling constantly frazzled and stressed out? It's time to turn to the power of cardamom tea. This delicious and aromatic beverage has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to alleviate stress and promote relaxation. Cardamom contains a variety of compounds that have been shown to have stress-reducing effects on the body. These include alpha-terpineol and eucalyptol, which help to regulate mood by stimulating the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. In fact, a 2020 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that consuming cardamom powder for 8 weeks led to a significant reduction in stress levels among a group of 80 participants compared to a placebo group. So why not try incorporating cardamom tea into your daily routine? It's a simple yet effective way to give your body and mind a much-needed break from the pressures of daily life. Next, number 6. Anti-aging properties. Are you tired of spending money on expensive anti-aging creams and treatments that promise to turn back the clock on your skin? Well, look no further than your kitchen cabinet for a natural solution: cardamom tea. This aromatic spice has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine and has recently caught the attention of modern science for its impressive anti-aging properties. A 2014 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that cardamom extract had a significant effect on human skin cells, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and improving skin elasticity. The secret lies in cardamom's abundance of antioxidants, which protect the skin from environmental damage and promote collagen production. Plus, the terpene alpha-pinene found in cardamom has been found to have anti-aging benefits. So why not swap out your expensive creams for a cup of cardamom tea? Not only is it a delicious and comforting beverage, but it's also a natural way to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Next, number 7. Improved cognitive function. Are you tired of relying on caffeine to keep you focused and sharp throughout the day? Well, here's some good news. Cardamom tea might just be your new secret weapon for improved cognitive function. Research suggests that cardamom tea is a natural source of compounds that can help boost brain power. For example, cineole, a compound found in cardamom, has been shown to improve memory and focus. Terpenine and limonene, 2 other compounds found in cardamom, have been linked to improved attention and mental clarity. In a 2020 study published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine, researchers found that cardamom extract improved learning and memory in mice. And a 2018 study in the Indian Journal of Psychological Medicine showed that cardamom extract improved cognitive function in adults with anxiety and depression. So why not try incorporating some cardamom tea into your daily routine? Not only is it delicious, but it might just give you the mental boost you need to conquer your day. Next, number 8. Weight loss. Looking for a flavorful and healthy way to help you shed those unwanted pounds? Look no further than cardamom tea. Not only is it a delicious and soothing beverage, but it has also been found to have anti-obesity properties, making it a great addition to any weight loss routine. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2017 found that the active compounds in cardamom, such as eucalyptol and alpha-terpineol acetate, can help increase fat metabolism and regulate glucose metabolism, ultimately aiding in weight loss. But that's not all. Cardamom is also rich in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce snacking between meals. And let's not forget about the thermogenic effects of cardamom. These effects increase your body's metabolic rate, allowing you to burn more calories throughout the day. So why not indulge in a cup of delicious cardamom tea today? It's an easy and enjoyable way to help you reach your weight loss goals. Next, number 9. Anti-inflammatory properties. Have you ever wondered how a simple cup of tea can do wonders for your health? Well, cardamom tea is one such beverage that not only soothes your senses, but also has numerous health benefits. One of the most notable benefits is its anti-inflammatory properties. Recent research suggests that the essential oil of cardamom contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. These compounds work by inhibiting the production of inflammatory molecules in the body, thus reducing pain and discomfort caused by inflammation. Cardamom tea owes its anti-inflammatory properties to the presence of bioactive compounds like terpenes, flavonoids, and phenolic acids. These compounds not only have anti-inflammatory effects, but also have antioxidant properties that help protect the body against cell damage caused by free radicals. So, next time you're looking for a soothing cup of tea, consider reaching for a cup of cardamom tea. It's a delicious way to give your body a healthy boost while also indulging your taste buds. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the amazing benefits of cardamom tea. We hope you enjoyed learning about how this simple cup of tea can transform your health and well-being. Remember, incorporating cardamom tea into your daily routine can lead to improved digestion, lower blood pressure, a stronger immune system, and so much more. So why not give it a try and see how it can benefit you? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.